The journey of crocodile leather begins here. Watch as we take you through the entire process.
In the wild, crocodiles roam freely in their natural habitats. These majestic creatures are often
Easy now, let's get these straps secured.
Skin looks good, no abrasions. Let's get a measurement.
The specialized crates ensure the animals remain calm, and the valuable skin is kept intact during transit.
The crocodile transport trucks make their way to the processing factory. During the journey, it's vital to ensure that the conditions are
Each inch of the crocodile's hide is carefully removed, ensuring the skin remains unbroken and of the highest quality.
After skinning, the hides are immediately stored in cold rooms to prevent degradation. Cold storage helps preserve the skin.
To soften the skin and prepare it for tanning, the crocodile hides are soaked in a solution of water and chemicals.
Now, the skins are immersed in a tanning solution, where they begin to undergo chemical reactions that will turn them into long-lasting leather.
The tanning solution, often made with natural extracts, helps preserve the leather, ensuring that it is resistant to wear and tear.
After tanning, the leather is thoroughly rinsed to remove any excess chemicals.
Once rinsed, the leather is hung to dry. This is a delicate process that requires perfect humidity and temperature control. As the leather dries, it is flattened and softened by skilled workers to prepare it for the next steps in the process.
Now the leather is ready to be cut. Large cutting machines carefully slice the leather into panels that will be used for various products.
Each piece of leather is carefully inspected by artisans to ensure it meets the highest standards. Any
For accessories like wallets or keychains, smaller pieces of leather are cut from the larger panels. Once the leather pieces are cut, they are stitched together using high-quality thread. Skilled artisans ensure
Many crocodile leather products are stitched by hand, a process that requires expert skill to ensure that each seam is tight and even. Leather products, like bags, are shaped and molded to their final form. This step ensures that the leather maintains its structure and shape after stitching.
After shaping, the leather is dyed to add color. The dye is applied evenly to ensure the final product has a rich, uniform color. To bring out the shine and texture, the leather is polished. This final touch adds luster and makes the products look luxurious and elegant.
A protective sealant is applied to the leather, ensuring that it's protected from moisture and wear while maintaining its luxurious appearance.
Once the leather goods are crafted, they undergo a final inspection. Every product checked off, ensuring
Once inspected, each product is carefully packaged. Packaging materials ensure the items are protected.
This matches the digital manifest. Are the permits in order?
Yes, everything is compliant with Section 3. Go ahead and seal it.
Once cleared, the products are transported to the retail warehouses, ready to be distributed to luxury stores across the world.
Look at the detail on this clasp. Exquisite. The emerald green is flawless.
Look at the detail on the clasp. It's flawless. Yeah.
It's beautiful. The leather feels amazing.
Yeah.
Colors.
The quality is unmatched. Notice the unique umbilical scar here, proof of genuine crocodile. It ensures
The rarity of this crocodile leather is evident in the flawless scales. Each bag is handcrafted, requiring 30 hours of...
Here is your purchase, sir. Thank you very much.
It is exquisite. Thank you. Yeah.
Here is your item, sir. Wrapped and ready.
Thank you, it's beautiful.
Crocodile leather's legacy as one of the world's most luxurious materials continues, with each piece carrying a story from wild capture to refined product. Throughout the entire process, ethical practices ensure that freshwater crocodile leather is produced with respect. The production of Nile crocodile leather is done sustainably, ensuring that the resources are used responsibly and with minimal environmental impact.
Efforts are made to ensure that the capture of crocodiles is done responsibly, with attention to preserving their natural habitats.
Each step of the process, from capture to packaging, involves highly skilled African-American male artisans.
Crocodile leather's rarity and unique texture make it a symbol of status and exclusivity in the fashion world. The luxury and exclusivity of crocodile leather make it one of the most coveted materials in the fashion industry, reserved for only the finest products. The timeless appeal of genuine crocodile leather continues to attract diverse fashion enthusiasts, solidifying its place in high-end design. Crocodile leather products, due to their meticulous craftsmanship, are built to last a lifetime, becoming timeless heirlooms.
Crocodile leather's distinctive texture and durability ensure that it remains a top choice for luxury brands worldwide.
From wild capture to the luxury boutique, the crocodile leather journey is a remarkable tale of craftsmanship, ethos, and elegance. Thank you for watching.